nose, head, toes, head, ears, shoulders, head, shoulders, ears. What else you got over there? Is that Birdie? Birdie the bus?
Tractor.
Tractor? Where's Terrence? I don't see Terrence. He's your tractor. I was sleeping with him the other day, but now I don't see him.
Crib.
Crib, yeah, but we've got a big boy bed, and we may not be sleeping in that crib too much longer, right? Yeah? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We'll have to make a new tunnel. Oh no. New tunnel. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new tunnel for Thomas. Yeah, new tunnel. Look at that. All those blacks on the floor. Harvey's on the floor too. Goodness. Is he gonna help you pick those up? I'm gonna help you pick those up.
Train.
Train?
Yeah.
Can you make a tunnel for the train?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go make a tunnel for the train.
You built.
You need me to help?
Built.
Let's see. We'll help. I'm gonna do it over here though a little bit. Okay.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, right next to each other. That's good. Good sound foundation. And then maybe we'll use these two. Yep. And then what? What needs to go next? That one?
Yeah.
You put it up there? All right. How about these? And put them on top?
Round.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's tunnel.
Tunnel. I'm going to make a tunnel for the... Oh, that's nice.
Tunnel.
Tunnel.
A train.
Tunnel for the train. And put this one over here.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Nice old tunnel for the train, huh?
A tunnel. Handy.
And there's the t-shirt that Auntie Kim gave you. It's a John Deere. Yeah. Can you say hi, Grandpa? Say hi, Grandpa. Is Mama there? That's probably too close up of a Mama. You're very close.
I do.
Andrew was in there. He was. Do you want to see Andrew in there? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.